Hi, I'm Trisha Morris, and I have a gorgeous new scrapbooking page kit to share with you from Club Scrap. This collection is called Toile. Let's take a look at what comes in the box. We've got some absolutely stunning prints here for you this time with the Toile kit. You're going to get 2 of these dark blue floral prints and then 2 light blue floral prints. These are both printed on heavyweight white 80-pound cover stock. To enhance these prints, we have some lovely plain 12 by 12 papers, 2 tan, 2 light blue, 2 gray, and then 2 dark blue. And no scrapbooking page is complete without our printed cut-aparts. These help make finishing your pages so much easier. Once trimmed into individual elements, you'll have your border strips for anchoring, your page titles, journaling prompts, and other images that coordinate with the collection that really make finishing your pages so much easier. We also save you a lot of time with our pre-trimmed photo mats. You'll get a dozen. They're cut to 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, and they're perfect for matting your 4 by 6 photos. I love incorporating ribbon into my finished pages. We have 3 coordinating colors here. You'll get 2 yards of this light blue chiffon, a yard of a white elegant silk, and then a yard of a dark blue taffeta. You can also embellish your pages with these 3 beautiful embroidered butterflies. They even have 2 layers of chiffon wings, a set of 3 elegant bird woodcuts, and a set of 3 silver settings with epoxy stickers that go inside, and there will be artwork on the cut-aparts that fit right inside the setting. We literally think of everything. Now, it's really fun to get a box in the mail with everything coordinated and curated just for you. But what's even better is that we help you utilize absolutely everything that came in the box to create a set of 8 12 by 12 pages. That begins with our instructions. You can download and print them at will, and then follow along with the detailed, descriptive diagrams and instructions, or just skip reading the instructions altogether and join me for my video workshop. I'll walk you through the whole process. And I do all of that so efficiently that when we're finished making our pages together, these will be the only scraps you'll have left over. Let's take a quick tour of those pages. Here are layouts 1 and 2. I took an extra moment to paint the bird woodcuts with white acrylic paint, and you can see there's plenty of room for photos. We've utilized those cut-aparts and the ribbon that was included in the collection. On this beautiful layout, I've incorporated those embroidered butterflies. Oh, they are just so beautiful. I had a really hard time even covering up that lovely dark blue print. Again, pages 5 and 6 showcase those painted woodcuts, and I also used that silver setting with the cut-apart and epoxy sticker inside. And pages 7 and 8 incorporate that lovely tan color and the dark blue with that print. It's so lovely. I've added the final 2 silver settings with the cut-aparts and stickers there, added some of that white satin ribbon, and incorporated this little dragonfly from the cut-apart sheet to tie it all together. Now, if you would like to make these 8 pages with me and have only this left over as scraps, grab your Toile Page Kit from Club Scrap today, and I look forward to seeing you in my workshop.